Hi everyone, this is Vic from Singapore, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to set up the SPD30 with an external pad. Alright, we will need a 1/4 inch cable, can be a stereo or a mono cable, it's fine. And then we will need an external pad, so I'm using the PD8. You can see there are 5 inputs, and in fact you can use any one of them. Today we're going to use number 2. See, number 1, 2, 3 and 4, right? We're going to use number 2. Okay, now plug in the other end of the cable to the external pad. Let's press on the menu button and then we scroll down all the way till the system and press enter. Next, hit the right arrow button, and then it will go under the control settings and you scroll all the way down. External pad 2, you change it to start stop. Press menu again. We're going to scroll all the way down till setup. Press enter and then you scroll down to hit pad start. You have to turn the knob and disable it. Do not want the internal pads to trigger the loop or phrases. Hi everyone, thank you once again for watching the video. Please leave your comments, suggest any videos that you'd like to see regarding the SPD30. Till then, stay tuned for more videos.